Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making crispy chicken tenders, also known as chicken strips. And here I have 4 boneless chicken breasts that I will be using. And I have my seasoning over here. I also have some flour. And the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so make sure to head over there and check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these breasts into strips. I've already washed my chicken with vinegar and lemon juice. So watch carefully how I cut these into thin strips. Also, you want to make sure you have a sharp knife to cut these strips so you can have perfect strips. So I will now get a bowl to put these strips in so I can season them. I am now going to combine my seasonings together, and I'm only going to add a portion on the chicken because I am going to add some of it to the flour as well. Now I'm going to make sure to rub my seasoning all together with the chicken and make sure that all the chicken have the seasoning on it so that I can have a very tasty chicken. So I am going to cover my chicken so it can marinate for 30 minutes, which is my preference. You can fry them ASAP, but I choose to leave them for 30 minutes. My chicken has been sitting for 30 minutes. So now I am going to add some baking powder to my flour, and I'm going to incorporate the seasoning along with the baking powder and the flour before I add my chicken. Look how perfect my chicken strips are. How seasoned. Now I will cover them with the flour and make sure to shake the excess flour off and set them aside on a plate. And I will continue this process until I cover all the strips. I am all done, so I will set these aside and wash my hands, and I will start the frying in a few. I have added some oil to the pot, and I am making sure that the oil gets hot before I add the chicken to the oil. The strips will take no more than 7 minutes to fry, so make sure to flip them halfway in. Now that they are fried, I am going to remove them from the oil and set them on a rack to drain the excess oil. You can choose to set them on a paper napkin as well. these nice golden chicken tenders, which I'm going to serve with some French fries. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and cook with love always.